didn't know it looked like that. We're trying to do like a Corvette.
Yeah.
So need to get the wing. I want a bigger one, and the what's called in the skirt kit all the way around, and diffusers. So it's something similar like this. You got the front lip and the side skirts, stuff like that. I'm gonna do a bigger wing on it. I like that color right here, that matte satin light gray. It's a McLaren.
Getting close?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Patty.
I go prum 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 prum. What in that sack? Oh, we passed him up. Coming up.
Them?